Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Open the liftgate. We gotta pull this handle off. We're gonna pull this trim piece off with just a straight blade screwdriver to expose the bolts. These two 10mm bolts. I'm gonna use a 10mm socket and an extension and a ratchet. Take that bolt out. I'll take this one out. And the handle will come right off. Now we're going to use some trim tools to get the push pins off. You can buy these at 1aauto.com. Slide in here. These little push pins right there. Come all around here. So once you get all those push pins out, then you're going to pull the lift gate down a little bit, open up the lift glass, and then this panel will go up like that. And you can set that aside. Disconnect this electrical connector here. I can use a screwdriver to push the lock tab down, pull it out. And here's a retainer on top. So I'm just going to push the tabs down on the retainer and pull that out. I can push those with a screwdriver. I could use needle nose or I can use a trim tool to pull it down. I'm going to pull these rods off here. This green one right here, I'm going to push it to the side like that. And pull the rod off. This pink one back here. Same thing, push it to the side. And I'm going to push it up like that. I'm going to take a straight blade screwdriver, go in underneath this plastic tab, pop this off, and pop this side off as well. And this will come out. There's a little C-clip right here. I'm going to take this off with a small straight blade screwdriver. Just get in here, pry it out. That's the clip right there. Pull that off, and then this will come down. All right, now we're going to pull this lock off the cylinder. Take a long straight screwdriver, or you can use a pry bar. Pry it right here. Just pull it back, just like that. And we can grab the cylinder and push it through. Pull the lift gate down a little bit. You can grab it from the other side. I'll reinstall this in here, just like that. And we'll install the lock or the retainer to hold the cylinder in. Just push it on like that. Next goes this piece. It's keyed on there, so I don't believe you can put it on the wrong way. It only goes this way. And there's some slots that line up with those little tabs. Install the little C-clip. Once you get that lined up, I can use a screwdriver and push it on. Just like that. And we can reinstall a switch. The switch is going to line up like that and just lock right in. Push that back in the hole there. and reconnect the connector. First we're going to attach this upper bar to the pink retainer. Push it down through, and then we're going to lock it like that. And then attach this green one, or aqua color one. Push it through and lock it on. We're just going to test it before we put our panel on. Take the key, turn it to the right. It should pop the lift glass, and it does. Turn it to the left, it should lock the car. Turn it to the left twice, it should lock all the doors, and it does. So it's working properly. All right, now take the key, open the lift glass. We're going to take the panel. We're going to get the panel over this, right there. Then we could close the lift glass. Now we're going to line up the push pins in the back. Push those on. Line those up. I'm going to reinstall this handle. There's a little tab right there. That lines up with that hole. We'll line that up. And we'll take our 10mm bolts. Get that one started. And get this one started. And we'll snug them up. Just like that. Not too tight, it is plastic. And then push the cover over. Push that cover over.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.